Hey there, fellow literature enthusiasts. Welcome to our brand new literary channel where we dive deep into the world of words, imagination, and stories that have stood the test of time. Before we embark on this exciting adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our literary explorations. Alright, let's get started. Question 1. She expects that her son, blank. Option A, can return. Option B, may return. Option C, should return to. The correct answer here is option B, may return. Question 2. If we request her she, blank, to college. Option A must give a lift. Option B, might give a lift. Option C, can give a lift. The correct answer here is option B, might give a lift. Question 3. It is possible Marlowe, blank, plays for Shakespeare. Option A may write. Option B, might have written. Option C, might write. The correct answer here is option B, might have written. Question 4. All felt that he, blank, a cheat. Option A may be. Option B, can be. Option C, might be. The correct answer here is option C, might be. Question 5. Blank, I go out? Asked her son. Option A. Should. Option B, may. Option C, must. The correct answer here is option B, may. Question 6. Yes, you, blank, the mother answered. Option A, should go. Option B, may go. Option C, must go. The correct answer here is option B, may go. Question 7, choose the correct statement. Option A. By 5 o'clock yesterday, I caught only one fish. Option B. By 5 o'clock yesterday, I will have caught only one fish. Option C. By 5 o'clock yesterday, I had caught only one fish. Correct answer here is option C. By 5 o'clock yesterday, I had caught only one fish. Question 8. The son asked his mother if he, blank. Option A, can go out. Option B, may go out. Option C, might go out. Correct answer here is option C, might go out. Question 9. Blank, our king live long. Option A may. Option B must. Option C, should. The correct answer here is option A, may. Question 10. He went there so that he, blank, borrow money. Option A may. Option B, can. Option C, might. The correct answer here is option C, might. And there you have it, folks. How many of those literary brain teasers did you conquer? If you're feeling confident, drop your score in the comments below. Did you ace them all, or did a few slip through the cracks? Don't worry, we're all here to learn and have a good time. If you enjoyed testing your literary wits with us, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow bookworms. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating discussions about literature's finest. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep turning those pages and exploring the endless worlds that literature has to offer. Stay curious,